Copying cell formatting and cell values in Excel is so common, so we have actually special shortcut keys for this. And what I want to show you now is how to copy values and formatting from the left of the cell and above the cell to the current cell we have selected. So let's go now and select this cell. And if I now press Ctrl+R, it will copy the value from the cell directly to the left. So if I now also press Ctrl+R here, you can see that it copies the values and the formatting. So Ctrl+R, Ctrl+R, it will copy the value and the fill on the left. And the same goes if I want to copy cell contents from above. I can use Ctrl+D, and that will then copy above the current cell. So if I now press here, Ctrl+D, it will copy down the green formatting here, or the fill. And if I now press here and press Ctrl+D, nothing is above the cell. So if I now write, for example, R and then press Ctrl+D, it will copy it. And same here then. If I use Ctrl+R, nothing happens now because this cell is empty, but now it will copy the formatting and the values to the left.